Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding what you need, a full URL or just a domain. Type that into the Wayback Machine search bar and press enter. This immediately shows the calendar of captures. Once done, scan the timeline to see years with many snapshots versus sparse coverage so you know where to look. Make sure to check whether the snapshot is labeled missing resources or partial. That tells you why some images or scripts may not load. Next, narrow results by clicking a year then a specific day on the calendar. This loads that snapshot. You should open snapshots in new tabs to compare versions side by side, which reveals what changed and when. Once done, use the site's closest or latest controls to find the most complete render if some captures are partial. If you need exact asset versions, inspect the page source or resource URLs in each snapshot to confirm file names and timestamps. Finally, save what matters. Use Save Page Copy to archive a working snapshot, or download images and copy the HTML into a local file for analysis. Once saved, annotate dates and provenance so you can cite which capture you used. If pages fail to render, try nearby dates, a different protocol, HTTP versus HTTPS, or remove query strings. These small URL changes often expose alternate archived versions. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache and open in a private tab if the Wayback View appears stale or blocked.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.